If you use Sage 50 cloud accounts, have integrated it with Microsoft Office 365 and have set up cloud backups, these scheduled backup files can now be restored into your software direct from OneDrive. Let's take a look at how easy this is. If we access the Restore option, in addition to the Browse option, you now have the new OneDrive option. The Restore from OneDrive window appears, and this identifies any backups stored in OneDrive for this company. So for instance, if we wanted to restore back to the 1st of May, we just select that backup and click OK. The backup file is then automatically downloaded. Once downloaded, you click OK, and then you click Yes to confirm that you want to restore the backup file. Once restored, you click OK, and then you simply log into Sage in the usual way. And that's the process complete. We've now restored back to the 1st of May using our backup held on OneDrive.